Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Want to send a video message in your WhatsApp conversations? It's super easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to enable the video message feature and send video clips to your friends or groups. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. With WhatsApp's video message feature, you can record and send short video clips just like a voice message. Instead of typing or sending a voice note, you can now share a quick video. To enable this feature, start by opening WhatsApp on your mobile device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Then select Settings. From there, go to Chats. Scroll down until you find Instant Video Messages. Next to it, you'll see a toggle button. Just tap that to enable video messages. Once activated, you'll see both audio and video icons in all your chat conversations. Now, to send a video message, go to the chat where you want to share your clip. Look for the video icon next to the text input field. If you only see the voice recording icon, tap it to switch to video mode. To record your message, simply press and hold the video icon while you capture your clip. Once you're done, release the icon, and your video message will be sent automatically. That's it. You're now ready to send video messages on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below.